So friends, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Prasad and you are watching the channel Discover More, and today's topic is application of percentage part 1. So let's go. So friends, first thing we have to know that what is percentage equally. Percent means, let me guess, percent. Percent means per cent. It actually derived from a Latin phrase that is per centum. Per centum. It means by the hundred. By the hundred. Okay. And percentage is always written as, and its symbol you can say this is the percentage symbol. So let me guess, 120%. How can you write the 120%? It actually 120 divided by, percentage means always 1 by 100. You can say that. So 120 percentage means 120 divided by 100. So let's do some exercises. Like first, if I say I have to find out 120 percentage of 100, then what can you do? 120% means 1. So friends, 120% of 100 means 120%, that is 120. Percentage means we have to divide it by 100. Of means, as you know, this is multiplication sign, and 100. Okay. So here 100 got cancelled with 100 and we got 120. So this is the answer. So friends, here is the another question that 50% of the students in a class got first grade. If 12 students got the first grade, how many students are there in the class? So if this type of question are asked, what to do? It asked how many students are there in the class. Let it be X. Okay. Let the number of students in the class be X. Which is asked, let it be always X. Okay. 50% of the students. We have taken that the students is X. Okay. So according to the question, 50% of, we have to, you have to write that according to the question. Okay. So 50% of the student means X in a class got first grade, and the number of first grade student is 12. So from this two line we have got a conclusion that 50% of X is 12. Okay. So 50%, what does it mean? 50 divided by 100. Of means multiplication, X means X, 12 means 12. So we have to find out the value of X. Then, okay, let it be cancelled first. So 1010 got cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are. So this will be like 1, sorry friend. So let it be 1 divided by 2 multiplied with X is equal to 12. So what is the value of X? 12. 1 by 2. So 2 is divided here. So 2 got multiplied. So 12 into 2, that is 24. So how many students are there in the class? The number of students are there in the class, that is 24. This is our answer. So friends, here is the another question that increase 340 by 40%. So first thing we have to calculate, that is the 40 percentage of 340. We have to first calculate that. So 40% means it is 40 divided by 100 into 340. Okay, friends, it is clear. So 1 0 1 0 got cancelled, 1 0 1 0 got cancelled. So it will be 4 into 34. Okay, so answer will be 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, that is 13. So it is the increased value. Okay, so if you increase 340 by 40%, what is the value? Then we can say that the increased quantity or the increased value will be, so let me write first. So increased value will be 340 is the original value plus the increased value is 136. My answer will be 476. Okay, it is clear. Okay, so this is the answer. And I have another example or question for you. Do this by your own. The decrease 160 by 12 and half percentage. So first thing you have to do that you have to calculate what is the 160 or the 12 and half percentage of 160. Then you have to subtract the value from 160 and you got the answer. So if you got the answer, do comment in the comment section below. Let's see if you are able to do it or not. So friends, here is your another example. Let me read first. Neha bought a skirt for 294 including a sales tax of 5%. What was the original price of the skirt? Friends, if I told you that what was the original price of the skirt, let what is always ask, let is always x. So what was the original price of the skirt? Let the original price be x. Okay, so original price is x and she have to pay a extra tax of 5%. Original price is x and she pays a sale tax of 5%. So 5% of x will be 5 by 100 into x. So if I cancel it out, it will be x divided by 20. So as you know, you have to but any item, you have to but it the original price and added sell tax. Means your selling price, no, so your cost price maybe means that at the price that you bought something, that is the cost price is always the original price and the added sell tax. We have to pay sell tax and it is also very important. So original price is x and the sell tax is x by 20. So the total price we have to pay, that is 21x by 20. And it is given that, okay, it is given that we have to pay 294 rupees and you find out the value of that price we have to pay, that is 21x divided by 100. So I can write that 21x divided by 20, that is 294 rupees. Okay, so last thing we have to find out the value of x. So the value of x will be 294 into 20 divided by 21. So if I cancel it out, 21 1 is 21, 84 84, 21 4 is 84. So the value of x will be 14 into 20, that is 280 rupees. Means we the original price of the skirt, that is 208 rupees. This is the answer. So here is your example 5. An alloy consists of 20% of zinc, 50% of nickel and the rest is copper. Okay, we have to find out the mass of each of these metal in an alloy of 28.4 kg. So friends, what is an alloy actually? An alloy is a combination of all this zinc, not actually zinc, nickel and the copper. Alloy means it's a combination of all the metals, you can say right now. So an alloy, the total alloy is given, that is 28.4 kg. Okay, this alloy is consist of zinc and nickel, and last one is copper. Okay, and last one is copper. And we have to find out, the value of, okay, the consist of the zinc, nickel, or what is the percentage of this. So we have in the question given that an alloy consists of 20% of zinc. So 20% of the alloy, that is 20% of 28.4. So 20% means it is 20 by 100 into 28.4. Okay, if I multiply 10 got cancelled, 2 into 50 28.4, that is 5 6 8, so 56.8 divided by 10, that I guess 5.68, and we have to place the unit, that is kg. Next thing is given is consist of 50% of nickel. So 50% of the total alloy, that is 28.4 kg. So 50% means 50 divided by 100, and that is 28.4 kg. So 51 ja, 52 ja, 100. So 28.4 divided by 2, that is 14.20 kg. And the most important part comes, and the rest part is copper. So friends, listen that what is the whole amount. Let it, always we have to take it 100%. Okay, so this alloy is the combination of zinc, nickel as well as the copper. That means all three are combined to give the 100%. So zinc is 20%, nickel is 50%, rest part is the copper. So total is 100%, zinc is 20%, and nickel is 50%. The rest part is copper, means 100% minus 20 plus 50%, that is 70%, that is equal to 30%. So we got the copper percentage in the alloy, that is 30%. Then 30% of the alloy, of means 28.4. So 30% means 30 divided by 100 into 28.4. 10 got cancelled. So 3 into 2, 28.4, that is 85.2 divided by 10. So I got 8.52 kg. So we got the answer. If you have any doubt, then please do comment in the comment section below. So friends, here is the another example that a man bought some potatoes for his shop. 10% of the potatoes got damaged in transport, and with 40% of the remaining, he made wafers and the rest were used for preparing chips. If 162 kg were used for making chips, how much potatoes did buy? Don't just frightened by just seeing the question. This may be long, but this can be solved within just 1 minute. It's quite easy. So I'm not going to solve this by taking X. That may be very lengthy process. So we go the simply percentage by taking 100%. Okay, how much potatoes did he buy? So the potatoes did he buy, let it be 100%. So first understand please, whole quantity is always taken as 1, or you can say 100%. A man bought some potatoes for his shop. 10% of the potatoes got damaged. So 10% of the potatoes got damaged. 10% of the potatoes got damaged. Okay, 10% got damaged in transport with 40% of the remaining. Okay, so 10% of the potatoes got damaged in transport. Okay, let's find with 40% of the remaining. So 10% got damaged. So what is the remaining? So remaining percentage will be 100% minus 10%. So the remaining is 90%. With 40% of the remaining, not just the single 40%, it is 40% of the remaining is 90%. So 40% of remaining, that is 90%. So it will be 40 by 100 into 90 by 100. So 10 get cancelled. That will be 4 into 9, 36 by 100. That is you can say that is 36 percentage. Okay, you can say the 36%. Okay, he made wafers and the rest were used for preparing chips. So rest means 10% got damaged, 30% made for wafers, and the rest were used for preparing chips. So this is 10%, this is 36%. Total percent is 100% minus 10% plus 36%, that is 46%. So this will be 4 and 9 minus 4, 54%. 54 percentage. So if 162 kg were used for making chips, we got the 50% equal to 162 kg. So 50% is given as 162%. We have to find out how much potatoes did he buy. That is 100%. So we have to find out what is the 100%. So we can do this by the cross multiplication method. So 162 into 100. 162 into 100 and divided by 54. So 2 we cancel. 2 2s are 4 and 2 7 14. 2 8 is 16. 2 1s are 2. 27 1s are 27. 3s are 81. So my answer will be, you can say, so 100% is equal to 3 into 100, that is 300. So my answer will be, how much potatoes did he buy? That is 300 kg. Don't forget to use the unit. Okay. So friends, here is the example number 7. What is 40% of 10 percentage of 40? So in this type of question, you have to do that. First, we have to calculate the 10 percentage of 40 and that result obtained. Then we have to find out the 40% of that result. But you can also do this by, okay, let me do, this is the, you can say, okay, we have to find out the 10 percentage of 40. So 40% of 10% of 40. So first thing, we have to find out the 10 percentage of 40. 10 percentage means what? 10 by 100. Of means, you know, multiplication into 40. So 1 0 1 0 got cancelled, 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. So 1 into 4, that is 4. So here is the result obtained. Then we have to find out the 40% of 4. So the second step will be 40% of the result obtained, that is 4. 40% means 40 by 100. Of means multiplication 4. So 1 0 1 0 got cancelled. 4 into 4, that is 16 divided by 10. So you can write it by 1.6. This is the first method you can do. And the next you can do that, this is 40%. Okay, 40% of 10% of 40. Okay, so 40% means 40 divided by 100. Of means multiplication. 10% is means 10 by 100. Of means 40. So 20 got cancelled. 10 got cancelled. So 4 into 4, that is 16 by 10, that is 1.6. It is your answer. You can also do this by this. So friends, here is your question number 8. Example 8, that is, by what percentage should 90 be increased to change it 120? This is one type of very important short question. Okay, so by what percentage 90 should be increased to get 120? The original value is 90. We have to get 120. That means we have to add 30 more to get 120. So it will be like 30. How much I increase? Divided by original value. Okay. Multiplication with 100. Because by what percent is asked? So we have to multiply 100. So 0 got cancelled. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So it will be 100 by 3. That means percentage. Okay. So 33.33 percentage. But if you don't understand this method, just remember that increased percentage equal to increased value divided by original value multiplication with 100. Okay, so what is the increased value? Then we can say what we have got, we have to got, that is 120 minus 90 divided by original value is 90 here. So it is 90 multiplication with 100. So 120 minus 90, that is 30 divided by 90 into 100. So by solving this, we got the same value, that is 33.33 percentage. So this is the two method. Okay, you can have to memorize this formula. So here is an example 9. This is also one type of very important question. Okay, so we have to first read out the question. In an election, a candidate secured 43% of the votes polled and lost the election by 4900 votes. Find the total number of votes polled. So in this type of question, so listen friend, if you said find the total number of votes polled, what is actually we have to find it? Let it always be X, or we can say 100%. So in this question, taking 100% is quite easier than actually taking X as the value. So let the total number of votes polled, be 100%. Okay, be 100%. In an election, a candidate secured 43% vote. Okay, so the number one candidate got 43% vote. So then another candidate, the number two candidate, so what percent does he get? The total percentage is 100%. One candidate got 43%, and obviously that another candidate should got 100% minus 43%. So it will be 10 minus 3, that is 7, 9 minus 4, 57%. Okay, it is clear that, listen friends, if 10 chocolates are there, okay, 10 chocolates are there, I got let 6 chocolate, then you must get 4 chocolate. It is clear. So one candidate got 43% vote, another candidate got 57% vote. But the question is that, the trick is that in an election, a candidate secured 43% vote and lost the election by 4900 vote, 4900 votes. So what does it mean? He is the lost candidate because he got the least amount of vote. He is the winner. Okay, So he lost it by 4900 watts. So by how much or by how percentage he lost, that actually, so the difference will be, the winner percentage minus the loser percentage, that is 43 percentage. So it will be 4, so 14 percentage. 5 7 minus 3 4, 5 minus 4, that is 1. So the difference is 14%. Just remember, the lost the election by 4900 votes means the difference between the winner and the loser, that is 4900. So first we have to find out what is the difference in percentage, that is 14 percentage. So as we know that 14 percentage is 4900. Then the question is that find the total number of votes polled. Total number of votes, that is 100%. So we have to find out what is the value of 100%. So let me write it here. So 14% is equal to 4900. So 100% is, do the cross multiplication. First we have to do 4900 into 100, and this is will be divided. So I think 7 sevens are 4900, 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2, 350. Okay, so 350 into 1000, sorry 100, that is 350 and 20. So the total number of votes polled, that is 35,000. Is it clear? If it is not clear, then please do comment that sir it is not clear. Please do it again. I will do it for you. So friends, they are the last question, that exercise example 10, that Mr. Sharma received 22,000 as his monthly salary. He spends 20% of it as house rent and 8,800 on household expenses. So first question is that what is his house rent? So let me first do the first number. So the total amount or the total monthly salary is 22,000 rupees. Okay. The question is what is his house rent? Okay. He spent 20% of it as house rent. So I can say the house rent is the total amount, that is 22,000. Okay, and he spent 20% of it. Of means multiplication 20%. So if I find it out the value, I got the answer. So 22,000 into 20%, that is 20 divided by 100. Okay, 20 got cancelled. So it will be 220 into 20. So don't need to multiply this, simply understand 22. Let me show you. 22. Okay, 22 into 2, that is 44. Okay, and 1020, put 2 zeros here. So it will be 4400, that is 4,400 is house rent. And next question. Okay, next question too. What percentage of his monthly salary is he spending on household expenditure? Listen friends, just remember that if it said x is what percentage of y, x is what percentage of y, remember that we have to put x divided by multiplied with 100. Okay, is it clear? X is what percentage of y means x by y multiplied with 100. Similar question is asked here. What percentage of his monthly salary is he spending on household expenses? Household expenses, that is double it. So 8800 is what percentage of the total salary? That is 22,000. So my answer will be x by y. X is 8,800 divided by 22,000 multiplication with 100. Okay, so 3020 cancel, so 21 24 is 88 0. So my answer will be 40%. Okay, so here is your end of this part 1. All the 10 examples I have solved. If you have any doubt, then please comment down below. And if you are watching this video for the first time on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if you subscribe, then you can get more updates like this type of videos. So do give it a like, comment down, and subscribe, and most important, that is share with your friends. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching.